In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Now to mute your device completely, leaving only vibration, select Vibration at the top. When you're ready, scroll down, tap on Vibration and Haptics, and use this switcher next to Ring Vibration to disable or enable. Sorry, I need to change my mode first. Disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. You can also do exactly the same with all of those haptic feedback options for notifications, alarms, touch feedback and media. When you're finished, just go back. Then tap on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration after scrolling down to manage this option as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!